Greetings. Thanks for staying in tune with the girl Awesome Blossom. Here again with another park ride. Please make sure to stay hydrated and to also recycle your plastic. Here again we got a nice nature vibes at the Frenchman's forest. I'm coming through with all different kind of knowledge of the trees, and them got some wildlife. I love it. That's the park information board. I'm like, they can put me in there. Awesome Blossom, here to inform about nature. Don't forget to get your pamphlet. Off to nature we go. And I love them too. We see a turtle.
Eating something, look, it has some grass in its mouth.
Oh, that's so cool. I love turtles. I love turtles. Turtle vibes. With the nature lovers. Love that. I'm not gonna lie, turtle was. We was chatting even though we was talking low. She was very nice. She was telling me this is her second time at the park and how, it's just a nice experience and don't get lost. So happy I grabbed that pamphlet. But see you later, turtle. Till next time. The park was very beautiful though. Gotta give nature a moment to breathe it in. Here was a very nice pier. No fishing allowed, but that does not mean you cannot bring food to feed the fish. Get into the vibes. Enjoyed that nice breeze. I did a meditation. Just enjoy the vibes. Smoothie bowl to finish the day. I don't like bananas hints, but thank you all for watching.